Is Aqua funded really worth the hype? Or is it just another prop firm with clever marketing and hidden pitfalls? Well, we're going to tackle this today in this honest review. I don't have any affiliated links to provide you, so this will be my honest opinion on this prop firm. Over the past few months, we've noticed a significant buzz around Aqua funded, many traders praising their payouts, others skeptical about their rapid rise and flashy marketing, with numerous requests pouring into our private chats and our comment section. I wanted to specifically address Aqua Funded. I knew it was the time to dive deeper into it, knowing I didn't tackle this prop firm in previous top 5 for the USA. In today's video, we're going beyond the surface level promises and flashy figures they might show you in their marketing. We'll examine everything you truly need to know before committing your money and your trading to Aqua Funded. From detailed analysis of their trading challenges, unique features, rules, and conditions, to honest insights into potential red flags, no stone will be left unturned. So if you've been curious about Aqua Funded, wondering if they're the real deal or just another overhyped prop firm, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have all the facts you need to decide confidently whether Aqua Funded aligns with your trading goals or if you should steer clear. Let's jump straight into it. So Aqua Funded was established in December 2023 and is headquartered in Dubai, quickly making waves in the prop industry despite being relatively new. In less than a year, Aqua Funded has impressively grown its trader base, boasting over 15,000 active traders worldwide. They've been paying over $2 million, with their highest paid trader securing an impressive 120K. So leadership transparency is something we always want to emphasize, and Aqua Funded does appear to have a relatively visible online presence. The founder, Jason Black, is quite active on social media, showcasing a lifestyle that blends personal success and entrepreneurial spirit. However, it's important to mention that such visibility has sparked mixed reactions among traders, with some viewing the flashy presentation as confidence-inspiring, while others see it as potentially concerning. Initial impressions indicate that Aqua Funded has managed to establish itself swiftly within a competitive industry, leveraging aggressive marketing strategies and appealing offers. Their quick growth and substantial payout figures lend initial credibility, but with such rapid expansion in short time frame, it's essential to approach cautiously and critically evaluate their long-term stability and reliability. So let's now move deeper into the details, starting with the specific challenges, rules, and regulations Aqua Funded sets for traders. Aqua Funded offers traders 3 distinct types of challenges to accommodate various trading styles and preferences. You have the 1-step, the 2-step, and the 3-step challenges, and they also offer instant funding. We're going to have a look together to their website. Let me quickly share my screen with you. So you got the website of Aqua Funded here. If you go just below the initial page, you'll see the challenge type. So as I've mentioned, you can see the instant, 1-step, 2-step, and 3-step challenges here. The 1-step challenge, it's a single phase challenge. If we check this one, you have the standard or the pro. The difference between the standard and the pro, as you can see here, is a bit about the profit targets and the maximum loss. So on the pro, you have 12% profit target and 8% maximum loss with 3% maximum daily drawdown, while on the standards, you have same 3% daily drawdown, but only 6% total drawdown and only 9% profit targets. So it seems the standard is the most popular here on the 1-step. You'll see the leverage is up to 1 to 100. And on the Pro, I'm guessing it's the same. Yeah, it's the same thing as well, with the reward being paid bi-weekly. Then you have the two-step challenge, quite the same thing. The difference between the standard and the Pro is also about the drawdown. You can see 10% here, while it's 8% on the standard. So you will have a $361 cost at the moment with their current 30% off discounts. Otherwise, it's about 500 bucks to start a 100K challenge with them. So that's about the two-step. You have the three steps as well, with 6% target phase one and 6% target phase two and three. And finally, you can get an instant funded account that is up to 50K and about 1,500 here, as you can see. And on the Pro, it's a bit less expensive, but you have less drawdown, 5% maximum loss, while on the standard it's 6% there. The unique roles and potential pitfalls can be the trailing versus the static drawdown. The one step uses a trailing drawdown, potentially making traders confused. So it can be also more challenging since your risk buffer moves with your account's high watermark. In contrast to the two-step and three-step challenges that features static drawdowns, offering more predictable risk management. So it's not detailed here, but that's basically for the two-step, you have um, a, a static drawdown and the three-step as well. While on the one step, it is a relative drawdown. You have also news trading restriction on some of the account. If we check together directly in the FAQ what they state, you see they have specific rules. At the moment, they allow news trading. However, we do not allow news trading on funded accounts. So for a trade executed on your funded account, please refrain from opening closing trades 5 minutes before and 5 minutes after red folder high impact news events. So we just as a reminder, they're talking about the red flags on Forex Factory. So not the orange one you can see at the moment, but the red one. So for example, I'm recording this at the end of March. At the moment, we have final GDP tomorrow, so that would be one of the red flags. Continuing about the news trading, FOMC speeches, statements, and news events are strictly prohibited for funded accounts. Any trades involving FOMC events will be subject to profit removal as well. So technically, they allow news trading during the challenge phase, but not during the funded stage. So you should basically watch out these news and trailing drawdown if you are looking at those challenges. And we've seen together the price. We are roughly around $400 for a 100K account. So when it comes to USA traders, Aqua funded allow USA traders to use their platform. So that would be a US friendly platform for USA residents. When it comes to trading conditions, Aqua Funded offers competitive leverage tailored specifically across various asset classes. For Forex trading, leverage starts, as we've seen, as 1 to 100 during the challenge phases, although it decreases to 1 to 150 upon receiving the funded account. This reduction can impact strategies reliant on higher leverage, but still 1 to 150 is interesting. For indices and commodities, leverage provided is 1 to 20. Initially, with crypto trading, leverage is set at 1 to 2, aligning closely with standard industry practices. On standout aspects of Aqua Funded's trading condition is their use of ECN, so electronic communication network spreads, known for being substantially tighter than traditional brokerage spreads. So these low spreads offer significant advantages for traders, particularly scalpers and day traders looking to reduce costs and maximize profits. Regarding commissions, Aqua Funded maintains clarity by offering straightforward fees. Forex and commodities trades carry a fixed commission of $5 per lot, while indices are also traded at a competitive $5 per lot. Crypto trading notably carries no commissions, providing an added advantage for traders active in cryptocurrency markets. Comparing Aqua Funded to industry standards, their combination of tight ECN spreads, transparent and competitive commissions, and reasonable leverage offerings positions them favorably about the trading conditions. However, traders should carefully consider the implication of the reduced leverage upon becoming funded, as this could require strategic adjustments to their trading methods. Now, let's dive into the unique perks and features Aqua Funded offers, exploring how they stand out from other prop firms. And stay in the video because I'll tell you my final opinion on Aqua Funded just in a few minutes. Aqua Funded distinguishes itself with several competing features that might stand out for some of the traders. First, we can talk about their generous profit sharing structure. Aqua Funded begins with a 90% profit split, which can be upgraded to 95%. This high profit split is among the most competitive available, clearly designed to attract serious traders looking to maximize their earnings. Another standout feature is their 48-hour payout guarantee. So Aqua Funded promises to process your payouts within just 48 hours. Otherwise, they pledge to compensate traders by awarding them a full 100% profit split for the payout in question. So this commitment underscores their confidence in operational efficiency and appeals significantly to traders prioritizing reliable and timely payout. However, while these perks are undoubtedly attractive, it's essential to evaluate their sustainability. High profit splits are very appealing, but they are also raising questions about the firm's long-term profitability and financial stability. Similarly, the 48-hour payout guarantee sets high expectations, potentially becoming challenging to maintain consistently as Aqua Funded scales further. Comparatively, established industry players like FGMO typically offers an 80% profit split with potential scaling options, and payouts usually take several business days, even though you can receive it in less than 24 hours as well on FGMO. Aqua Funded's aggressive promises really position them as a highly attractive alternative, but it's crucial to consider the balance between appealing offers and sustainable practices in the long run. That's why, as you hear in my final point, I might not want to lean toward this prop firm. Now that we've discussed Aqua Funded's standout features and their implications, let's take a deeper look into potential concerns and red flags traders should be aware of before making a final decision. While Aqua Funded offers appealing perks and trading conditions, there are some potential concerns traders must consider carefully. Firstly, Aqua Funded is a relatively new entrant established in December 2023, which carries, a lot of risks associated to that, with limited operational history and unproven long-term sustainability. Traders should proceed cautiously and monitor closely how Aqua Funded evolves. Another concern revolves around their leadership's public image. Founder Jason Black's prominent social media presence, showcasing a lavish lifestyle, has raised eyebrows. While such visibility might appeal to some traders, it also poses questions about the management's focus and whether funds are being responsibly allocated to ensure sustainable growth. A notable controversy surrounding Aqua Funded is their refund policy, which only grants a refund after traders reach their fourth payout. This unusual requirement has led to frustration among traders, potentially indicating financial constraints or liquidity issues within the company. Additionally, trader feedback, especially on platforms like Trustpilot, paints a mixed picture. Aqua Funded currently holds a rating lower than established firms like FTMO and other US-friendly platforms, with noticeable complaints regarding customer service and refund processes. While many reviews are positive, praising payouts and trading conditions, the presence of negative feedback should not be overlooked. In summary, Aqua Funded presents attractive opportunities, but also distant risks. Balancing these considerations is crucial before committing. Just to give you an idea, if we check their Trustpilot page, they currently have 4 Trustpilot score, which is not enough for us to recommend for me to recommend this platform. So I would not lean toward Aqua Funded, if I can say, with only 4 Trustpilot score, they would be in the B tier or even the C tier of our list. You can see 14% 1-star review. So that would not be what we would prefer. We've covered a lot. And now, if you want to hear more about Aqua Funded, I will be able to do another update in a few months from now. If you want to, if you had any experiences with Aqua Funded, I'd be glad to hear from you in the comment section, positive or negative. Please share your insights and stories in the comments below. They greatly help our community to make informed decisions. Also, if you're interested to pass prop firm challenges risk-free, not taking any risk getting funded, book a call with me with the link in the description. I can help you doing this. You can also be an investor generating passive income thanks to that. Just go in the description, book a call with me. We draft a blueprint. If you are not interested, you walk away with this blueprint. If you are interested, we make money together in 2025. That's all for me. We'll speak in the next one.